Now, the last Latin track. Let's start with poses. Arms up, chest. And now to the front, exhale. Very good. One more time. Chest. We will use that. A little faster the pose. Watch. Two, 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 and lunge. March. 4, 3, 2. Again. 2 and 2. Yes, very easy. Got it? One more time. Now we have to add a mambo to the front. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Stop. Together. Lunge. Mambo. Very good. One more time. We have more now. Very easy. Mambo, 2 cha-cha-chas, and stop with arms up. Yes. Lunge. Mambo, cha-cha-cha. Arms up. Like arms up. Chest. Forward. Mambo and backward with cha-cha-cha. And stop. Go up, up. Chest. Forward with lunge. Mambo and cha-cha back. One more time. Yes. Mambo, cha-cha-cha, and stop. Last time. Very good. Easy. And now 2 marches. Watch. March cha-cha-cha. March cha-cha-cha. Great. That's it. One more time. March. March, march, cha-cha-cha. March, march, cha-cha-cha. We have to go to the side, just a little. Watch. Walk and cha-cha in place. Switch. Very good. One more time. Go. Cha-cha. Okay, now we have to move to the lateral with the cha-cha and draw a circle with the arms. Yes. Are you ready? Again. Very good. Are you ready from the top? Lunge with poses. Go. Chest. Lunge. Mambo. Cha-cha-cha back. Pose and walk to the side. Cha-cha. Switch. March on place. Yes. Repeat. Go up. Pose. Very good. Forward. Second part. Okay. Second part again. Let's go to the side. Stop 4 counts. Open. 4, 3, 2. Tap front and back. Go. Stop 4. 4, 3, 2. Tap. One more time. We add 4 hip circles and shoulders in the taps. Right and left. Yes. 4 hips. Taps. And from the top, go up. Lunge. Mambo. Cha-cha-cha. And pose. Walk. Cha-cha side. 4 circular hips. Taps with shoulder. From the top. Yes. Very good. Mambo. Cha-cha-cha. And up. Hips and taps. Last time for everybody. Very good. Cha-cha. And stop. 4 hips, taps front and back. Final pose, go up.